Hey guys, so welcome back. I am walking up to the pond right now. It's been a hot minute since I've done a pond video, and well, this is at a different pond for sure. Some pond adventures I don't like to film, but some I do. I fish here. There's not big fish, but you could throw anything. I've mostly caught them on this topwater, bluegill topwater. Basically, that's all that ponds have is topwater. So there's the pond right there. Try not to show too much, because, well, yeah, you all know the drill. Property, and so I'll catch you guys when I get fish. Peace. There's a big boil that just boiled right in front of me. But I got one, guys. I told you, not very big, but so yeah, okay, yeah, but you're not helping the situation here. So they're super tiny, so you got to be super careful. Yeah, okay. Let you go. Give me a second. Super tiny. It's just fun because you can work on your techniques. He just spined me. But 2 minutes in, we already have a fish. That's pretty good. These fish will come up for anything. I think. I tried. Like, it is. How warm is it outside right now?
It's 72 degrees right now.
72 degrees, which is cold compared to what we've had the past week. Last week period, we had 102, 110, really bad weather, really hot weather, I mean. But it's all right. But right. So when I came here to fish for the first time, bass were jumping out of the water. So okay, guys, I got one. It took me like 2 or 3 minutes. Not very big on top to blow up either. These are the dangerous ones, like, well, let me tell you guys the story real quick while I'm trying to get this fish unhooked. So, there we go, just teeny tiny guy. So, I haven't put it on this channel yet. I might put a little short clip. But I was putting rods away, and I got a treble hook stuck in my hand. This exact treble hook. So every time I had fish with treble hooks, like last night, my dad got a treble hook right in the palm of his hand. It was he luckily enough got it out. And we didn't have to come back home. But treble hooks hurt. Like, me and my dad both got it past the barb. Rarely do you ever get it like that. Okay. Over here is where I've been getting them. In this shallower part of the lake. Okay, y'all, so that is it for today's video. Fishing after storm conditions is either really tough or really good. I know fishing right before the storm is so good. I fished that last night. It was really good. We're supposed to have storms. Wednesday is supposed to be clear, so I might try to fish then. I usually like to just stay inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see more of. I know you guys, probably a lot of you can't afford really nice, expensive reels. So if you guys want to see what the difference between this reel and like a Pro TI, let me know. See you guys. Peace.